Hello everyone. Our today's topic is nervous control in human, or you can say the neural coordination in human. So what is the need of neural coordination in human? Why we need the nervous system, well developed nervous system in human? Nervous system control each and every life processes, whether it is nutrition, okay, whether it is respiration, or transportation or excretion, right? So brain or nervous system or nerves control each and everything. It transfers the information, it receives the information, it gives the command to each and every part or organ of the body, right? So this is the need of the nervous system in our body. If we are talking about the nervous coordination, so what happened during the nervous coordination or the nerve impulse transfer? See, whenever we take any sort of stimulus from the external environment or we receive any stimulus, the receptors which are present on our skin receives the stimulus and it transfer to the brain, right, by means of sensory neuron. Then brain recognize or interpret the stimulus, what type of information it is. Then it send the response by means of motor neuron to the particular recepting area or the responsive area. Okay, so how the transfer takes place, how the nervous coordination takes place, how the message carry out from one place to another by means of some specialized cell, or we can say the largest cell of the body, that is neuron or the nerve cell. Both the things are same. Nerve cell, it is the unit of nervous system, it is the unit of brain, okay, it is the cell of nervous system. So if we are talking about the structure of the neuron, it is divided into two parts. One anterior part is known as cell body, or it is also known as cyton, right? And this longitudinal part is known as axon. Okay, so cell body contains some branched structures which do the function of receiving of stimulus. Whenever any stimulus provided by the environment or any change in the environment, it is always received by the dendrites. Dendrites, the branching which is present on the cyton. The fluid is present inside the head or in the cyton. The fluid is known as neuroplasm. Neuroplasm. साइटोप्लाज्म होता है जैसे सेल का, इट इज ऑल्सो सेल. न्यूरॉन का साइटोप्लाज्म है, दैट इज नोन एज न्यूरोप्लाज्म. न्यूक्लियस, ओके, न्यूक्लियस. And some prominent granules are also present here. These are known as Neisel's granule. Neisel's granules. So this is the part of cyton or cell body. This longitudinal part is known as axon. The stimulus transfer or the conduction of impulse transfer from cell body to the axonal part of the neuron. Right? It may be myelinated or non-myelinated. Any substance, myelin substance और waxy substance, जैसा wax होता है ना, लिपिड जैसा, वैसा सब्सटेंस अगर प्रेजेंट है एक्सॉन पे, दैट कंडीशन इज नोन एज माइलिनेटेड फाइबर और माइलिनेटेड एक्सॉन और माइलिनेटेड न्यूरॉन ऑल्सो. अगर वो एब्सेंट है तो नॉन माइलिनेटेड. ठीक है, बीच बीच में आपको गैप दिखाई दे रहा है, दैट इज नोड ऑफ ब्रेनवायर. एंड लास्ट इज एक्सॉन टर्मिनल. Axon ending or axon terminal, both the things are same, or terminal node. These are the terminal node by which the message transfer from one neuron to the another. Terminal node. ठीक है. So the message received by the dendrite then sent to the cell body, then to the cyton or cell body, then to the axon, and last to the axon terminal or to the terminal lobes. This is all about the neuron, right? If we are talking about the types of neuron, neuron is of three types. First is sensory neuron, second one is motor neuron, and third one is associated neuron. Okay, these are the three types of neuron. First is sensory, second one is motor, third one is associated or relay neuron. So sensory neuron receives the stimulus. They carry the stimulus to the brain. Motor neurons transfer the response to the effector organ, right? And associated neurons are always present in the brain. They do the intermixing of the sensory neuron or the motor neuron. Just suppose this is the sensory neuron and this is the motor neuron. तो इनको जोड़ने का काम कौन कर रहा है? बीच में एसोसिएट करने का काम एसोसिएटेड न्यूरॉन. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रिले न्यूरॉन. जैसे रिले रेस होती है ना, उसमें एक दूसरे को पास कराते हैं, बीच में जो भी कैंडिडेट है वो रिले का काम करता है, उसको जो भी पार्टिकल होता है उसको इधर से उधर ट्रांसफर करने के लिए. ठीक है. सो दीज आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूरॉन विच आर प्रेजेंट इन आवर नर्वस सिस्टम. ओके. Then nerve fibers. Nerve fibers. What are nerve fibers? The axonal part of the neuron are said to be nerve fibers. Okay? जो हमारा longitudinal part था न्यूरॉन का, अभी बताया था मैंने, that is known as nerve fibers. Okay? Nerve fibers may be two types. Myelinated. If the myelin sheet is present over there on the axon, the fibers are said to be myelinated nerve fibers. Okay, and if it is absent, these are said to be non-myelinated nerve fibers. Clear? So this is all about the neuron, types of neuron and nerve fibers. That's all for today.